Hi, I'm Carlos Armella and I'm the writer and director of Go Youth. I'm very happy that you're here, very grateful that you're gonna watch this film. It is a comedy, it is about teenagers, and it's set in modern day Mexico City. The first idea about this film came from a graffiti I saw sprayed on a wall, which was basically a declaration of love. And it just got me thinking about the character, the person who had written this. And basically I started constructing in my mind the story of this teenager being in love with someone but not being able to say it straightforward. So he has to paint it on somebody else's wall, and that will get him into trouble. And as his story developed, there came another character, which was Dulce, and then the character of Pedro came into place, and then finally the character of Daniel, and they all seemed to have this very specific thing in common, which was that they were all teenagers, and they were going through life-changing experiences. It's funny, but we ended up shooting the film in the same school that I went to as a teenager. It's not a coming-of-age film. It's not a film about becoming an adult. It's a film about staying young. It's about staying rebellious. It's about staying true to yourself and to your youth, and to be proud of it.
¿Hasta qué voz antipote se entiende?
Si no habla como la gente normal, es imposible evaluar.
The language that Pedro speaks, it was something that I invented. I wanted it to sound similar to Spanish, but without being Spanish. But it's a language with its own rules. Music played a big part in this. I wanted to create a soundtrack that would have all the energy of the city, of the characters, but also that could be appealing to young audiences. The music dictated a lot of the pace in the editing and the energy of the film. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for being here, and have a great screening.